follow my writing style. See each and every letter, the flow of words, same letter I'm writing, giving a required space in between the words so that I can compare after completion of this writing. So follow with me. So let's focus on this writing. Yes, we are done with this writing style. I hope you can understand this flow of writing. Now, the basic key takeaways from this lesson. This writing is very common and favorites among the masses. Got it? And also it is very simple to write. And it is the clean form of writing. And especially students love this writing very much. So I suggest this is a very basic style of writing. If you practice, this can be your favorite writing style. And I love this writing format.